Imagine opening ChatGPT, and it already knows how you like to work. It remembers your writing style, your favorite tools, and your long-term projects. This is one of the smartest ChatGPT features, and most people never use it. The first feature is memory. ChatGPT learns how you like to work. It remembers your writing style and your preferences. That means better answers with less effort. It feels like having your own personal AI assistant. The second feature saves your long-term projects. You do not need to explain the same project again and again. ChatGPT remembers the important details. That saves time and keeps your work consistent. The third feature gives you better answers over time. The more ChatGPT understands your preferences, the more helpful it becomes. You spend less time repeating yourself and more time getting things done. The fourth feature gives you more personal answers. ChatGPT learns what matters to you. Over time, your conversations become faster, more useful, and much more natural. You spend less time explaining and more time creating. The final feature is simple but important. You are always in control. You can see what ChatGPT remembers and remove anything you do not want to keep. That gives you more privacy and complete control over your experience. Now you know how ChatGPT Memory can save you time every day. Try it today and subscribe to Everyday AI Guide for more simple AI tips every week.